All right, now that we got all of our sand in, we're going to start brooming. Now, this is a pro tip, and if you can get your hands on one of these, I highly recommend it. This is literally, it's a pine straw broom. This is actually natural pine straw. It's pretty stiff. And the reason why I like this, this I actually picked up at Ace. But if you can get your hands on these things, they're worth their weight in gold. The reason why I say that is that we need to be able to broom in or brush in and agitate the sand into the fibers. So what happens if you use a synthetic material against a synthetic material, it starts to generate and build up static electricity. So what that does, it charges the fibers and the sand, and it just doesn't want to go in. It'll literally stick to the fibers, it'll stick on top. You can almost put your hand across it or wave it, you're not even touching, you'll see everything kind of move, and that's just because of the static electricity that's built up. So what I really like is using the Pine Straw Broom, because it just doesn't build up static electricity, especially on days like, because we're here in North Florida, we get a lot of storms that come through. We obviously have a lot of lightning storms, so we do have a lot of static electricity in the air. So I really like these, they're inexpensive. So definitely pick yourself up some of these. Now you can still use a stiff bristled synthetic nylon broom. That works really well as well. But again, what it does is it builds up static electricity. So if you're doing two different colors of sand, like you're doing a lighter colored sand first, like a tan or white, just because it costs less than doing it all straight green sand, especially any of your synthetic acrylic coated sand, then you're going to have problems mixing the two colors because you just can't get that first color to want to get in all the way. Watering it sometimes does help, but not always. So if that happens and you're forced to use that, you can't get a pine straw broom and you got to use a nylon broom, a stiff one, then a pro tip is you take fabric softener. There's a anti-static cling fabric softener. You can mix a capful and dilute it with about 2 gallons of water and get one of the sprayers. And you can go through and you can spray down the whole area and eliminate the static electricity. That way, let it dry and then go in and apply your sand.